Hey, welcome back to Gun Prime. Today we're going to be looking at the HK VP9 long slide. So the HK VP9 in general is just the best-selling pistol for HK. This is the long slide version. So let's just take a look at it here. The HK VP9L-B. So this has a different mag release. The B stands for this push button here. You know, normally they have like that other mag release that you have to pull, but this one just has a button. So boom, pull it out, you can see the 20-round mag. Check out the lightning cuts up here across the top. Those look really cool. So you can get these in two options. You can get it with standard sights or night sights. This is the night sights version. It comes with 3 20-round mags. The other one only comes with 2. And I believe there's about a $100 difference in the MSRP. So let's just take a look at this gun, and then we'll take it out and shoot it a couple times. All right, so you got the fiber optic front sight, blacked out rear sight. It's adjustable though. You see that? Some other features, you have the lightning cuts on the slide. Obviously this one has the 5-inch barrel versus the shorter barrel of the standard version. Another cool thing this one has, see this bushing right here at the end of the barrel? That's for really tight lockup, so you can have more accurate groups. So it just fits right over to lock it into the slide really well. Yeah, obviously this bad boy's empty. Probably should have let off with that. Got your mount right here for any flashlights or accessories. So here's the standard VP9. You can see the longer barrel on this one, and the standard VP9 here has the standard contrast sights versus the fiber optic sights. So those contrast sights just have 3 white dots. Or here's the other mag release I was talking about. See that? You have to push that down to release it. Right there. Versus the button. This has this little thing right here. All right. And the standard one doesn't have the lightning cuts, shorter barrel, triggers look the same, grips very similar, different mags. Both great guns, best-selling model for HK. All right, so let's take it out to the range and just see what it'll do. Do one more mag. Hey CJ,
Hey,
I need a review.
VP9L. Yeah, this is a great gun. They come with the long slide version of it. This would be great for competition, especially if you're wanting to do something like in limited or production. Grip's really nice and ergonomical. You can adjust the grip. Trigger's really lightweight, really nice. Big mag. Great gun for the money.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
Hey, what do you think?
I mean, it's a pretty cool weapon. I mean, I'm a fan of the VP9. Not a fan of the button release, but that's, I guess a lot of people were requesting that. Adjustable sights, adjustable rear sight, fiber optic front sight. Yeah, I mean, overall pretty cool. 20 round mag. I think it comes with 3 of these. So yeah, pretty cool overall.
Thanks.
Yep.
What are your thoughts?
HK VP9. I guess anything HK makes, it's like getting import drinks, but it's not like getting a Corona. It's like getting a nice Scotch. So anything HK makes is good. These are nice. It's got a lot of mag capacity on it. Real good gun.
Appreciate it.